Hey, it's Ned. Welcome to TAGTUTORS, where I'll be showing you step-by-step guide on how to ace and explain GCSE question. This applies for all specifications: AQA, Edexcel, OCR, doesn't matter. Get a pen, a paper, and listen. Figure 8 shows a gastric band fitted to a stomach. Okay, so we can see the gastric band fitted to the stomach. Explain how a gastric band helps a person to lose weight. Step 1, the question is 2 mark, so I need 1 point and 1 point, so I need 2 points to get the 2 mark. The step 2, the command word in this case is explain, so I need to make a point with reason. It is fitted to the stomach to reduce the volume of the stomach. Now, the reason would be so it reduces the amount of food intake. So this is my reason. That gets me my complete 2 marks. In 2014, nearly 155 people died from cardiovascular disease in the UK. Figure 7 shows the use of a stent to treat cardiovascular disease. So artery narrowed by plaque. So we can see this plaque narrows the artery. This would narrow or slow down the flow of blood. So when a stent is applied or added to the artery, okay, I can see the difference. The plaque is here, the plaque is not here. Okay, so the question says, explain how a stent works to treat cardiovascular disease. Step 1, this question is what, 3 marks? So I need to make 1 point and then give reasons. That will get me 1 mark each. Step 2, what is the command word in this question? Command word here is explain, which means give reason. Okay, give reason for the point that I am making. Now, from the image, I can see that how the stent is applied. How does it work? We have to insert the stent into the blood vessel. I can say artery because we're talking about artery here. Blood vessel, and expand it. When the stent expands, what will be the effect on the blood vessel? If the stent expands, it would expand or widen the blood vessel. So, point 2, so that it can widen, or you can say open up the blood vessel. Why do we need the blood vessel to open up? We can say that the plaque is stopping the flow of blood. So if we open up the blood vessel, what will be the effect on the blood flowing? The effect will be this will lead to greater, or you can say more blood flow through the vessel, through the blood vessel. So I've made my point, how it works. I've made my point, the reason, then another reason. So I've gotten my complete 3 marks. When a person is infected with a disease, the immune system will respond to protect their body. Explain how the immune system will respond to an infection caused by bacteria. Infection caused by bacteria. So we are specific about bacteria. Okay? Step 1. How many marks is this question worth? The question has 6 marks. So I need to make a point, give a reason, make a point, give a reason. That will get me 6 marks. Now, step 2. The command word here is explain. Like I said, give a reason. My first point would be bacteria infection releases antigens. These antigens will be detected by the white blood cells. The white blood cells will release antibodies. Okay? The antibodies will surround the bacteria and destroy it. Okay? Okay, so my next point will be my point 5. Memory cells are produced, which will remain in the blood to prevent a secondary infection by the same bacteria. Okay, by the same bacteria. In 2014, nearly 155,000 people died from cardiovascular disease in the UK. Give the reason why cardiovascular disease is a non-communicable disease. Okay, this question is 1 mark. So that means I have to just state or give one reason. It can't be transferred, or I can say spread, from one person to another person. Obesity increases the risk of a person developing cardiovascular disease. Losing weight can reduce the risk of this disease occurring. Explain why exercise can cause weight loss. Step 1. Mark, it has 2 marks, so I need to give a reason and give a reason. So explain is the command word that says give a reason. Give a reason why exercise can cause weight loss. My first point. Exercise requires energy for respiration. Exercise requires energy for respiration. Requires energy for respiration. My point 2. Sweating during exercise causes loss of water. Clostridium tetani is a bacterium that can be found in soil. It causes the infection tetanus. Children are vaccinated against tetanus. Explain why these children do not get tetanus if the bacteria enters their body through a cut in the skin. Step 1. Which one is what? 3 marks. So I need to state a point and give reasons. A point with reasons. Explain, of course, state, give reasons. What would be my first point? It says here clearly that the children are vaccinated against tetanus. So my first point would be the children are immune to Clostridium tetani because we have dead inside the vaccine was a dead, or we can say inactive, bacteria. We know that bacteria contain antigens. Bacteria produce antigens, which triggers the release of antibodies by the memory cells. If you have found this video useful, please like and leave a comment. Subscribe and share with your friends. The aim of the video is to help you. Until next time.